taking a video and I can't like change or anything. There we go. You scared me. Oh, you put one of these right here? You put one of these on your car?
What?
You put one of these on your car?
Yeah, I'm gonna go put the other one on the other side now.
Okay. Thanks. Jeez, Dad, you can take a 51-minute video?
That's how much memory I have to do videos on.
Oh, so that's how long your videos can
That's how much videoing I can take.
Yeah.
Hoo-ah!
Ooh, what's that?
My miniature toolbox.
Oh. Where's your big toolbox on?
At work.
Oh.
It's over there. Shit.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, so that's what you like lay on?
Give it a little shake. Sure it's not gonna kill me.
Oh, Dad, you're leaving that up too?
Huh?
You're leaving the thing up too?
Yeah, it's just a secondary to keep it safe.
Oh, because it's gonna be like on the right side?
I think so. I think it's on this side.
It's a nice day out. We're smoking. Put your shirt.
Okay, Damien.
Yeah.
And right here,
Yeah.
grab me a 15mm deep socket. So it's the top section up here on the top, and look for a 15 long one.
Okay. 15. Is this it? I think it's that one.
One more size up.
16?
Yep.
Okay.
Pick up. Take this 10, please.
What?
Take this 10.
10? Okay. So the 10 goes right here. 15 goes. Wait, this is a 15? Oh, wait, you have 16. Okay. Trying to make
Can
it.
you get me the filter from over there? Oil change is done. I don't see nothing leaking. Damien's chilling in the car. Is the AC kicking?
Yeah. I'm gonna leave.
There's no lights on the dash right now besides what's been there?
Yeah.
I need to fix that dang tire sensor. Rev it up a little. Rev it up a little. You know how to press the gas.
I don't know which one.
Tap it. A little more. Now go up a little more. Yep, press it again. There you go.